Welcome to this video training on how to brand Canva templates for your brand. So I'm using as an example here my 5 free Canva templates for real estate that are St. Patrick's Day themed. If you haven't already grabbed these, be sure to do that. I'll link to them below. And so you can put into practice what we're going over in this video. So this first template here, it has a lot of green on it, and green is not one of my brand colors. So what I'm going to do first is just change that color up to fit my brand. As you can see here, this is my brand kit up top here. So I want to change this to fit my colors. I still do want a pop of green though, because it is St. Patrick's Day. But I just don't want it to throw off my Instagram grid so much where it looks totally out of place and off brand. So I think what I'll do is just leave this text here green and have the rest fit my brand colors. Okay, let's go on to this next one. So this font is definitely not a font that I typically use. And so you can just, again, switch it up to fit a font that is your brand font. And you'll just need to play around with it a little bit to get it to look nice. And again, if you wanted to switch up the colors, you could do that. And it just takes a little bit of trial and error to get something that you feel fits you and your brand. And then I also want to mention, be sure that you do change these phone numbers and titles here to fit you. So you'll want to put your name and then your phone number. I'll just put a generic one here, but make sure you change that up before you download these. And then of course, this last one has a place for a photo, so I recommend adding your photo to this. Here's one of me that I'll throw in there, and you can double click on it to resize it and move it around to fit really nicely in there. And then be sure to add your website here. All right, so that is just a quick tutorial I have on how to customize these templates to fit your brand and your style. Be sure to comment below if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer those there. Thanks so much, and I'll see you soon.